For number 1 on your review, it asks you so our target is that you can describe different materials as conductors and insulators. So this means you can explain what an insulator is, a definition of it, what is the definition of a conductor, and then you can provide examples of those thermal insulators and conductors. So what is a conductor? What is an insulator? What is the purpose of them relating to heat, thermal, conductors and insulators? And to get the 4, you're giving at least 5 correct examples of each. So go ahead and pause the video and fill out your first question and come back when you are ready to look at the grades. So to grade this, a 4 is going to tell us that a conductor is something that it's a type of material that can easily allow heat to go through it. So it conducts the heat through it. So, and an insulator is a material that stops the heat and does not allow it to go through. So a 3 might just say heat goes through or heat is trapped. It's not a complete sentence there. So if you were able to give me, like 5 or 6 examples, so like look, lots of these are metals here, silver, copper, diamonds. So liquids, right, if I start heating those up, those molecules actually move around faster and start touching each other everywhere. So water is actually a good conductor. Steel, aluminum, gold, brass, iron. So most of these are metals with those really tightly packed molecules, but liquids also move so much that they can touch each other. So insulator examples: air, styrofoam, wood, paper, cloth, rubber, sand, cement. So notice most of these are softer items. Those molecules are going to be more spread out. They're going to have air in them. That makes it harder for the molecules to transfer that heat. So if you gave me 5 examples, but maybe not the best definition, that would be a 3. So great definitions and complete sentences, plenty of examples is a 4. So if you did not give a definition or you didn't give examples, then that is a 2. And if you just have like a word or 2 that's not correct, that is a 1. So if you only have one part of the question, that's a 2. Answering it all, but you could have answered it better as a 3. Complete sentences and plenty of examples is a 4. So go ahead and decide what your grade is, which one best matches yours. So circle the 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the reason, what is the reason you gave yourself that grade? Why did yours match? What part of yours matched to mine? And then a goal is not just get a 4. So on your test, what can you do to do your best? Do you need to give more examples? Do you need to write incomplete sentences? Do you need to answer all parts of the questions? What are you going to do specifically? What specific thing will you do to do your best on the test?